Are you doing everything right and still can't seem to lose that stubborn belly fat? The good news, it's not just about willpower. There's science behind what actually works, and some of it might surprise you. Hi, I'm Ella Fit from the Health and Wellness team at UbieHealth. As one of the AI faces of Ubie's global network of over 1,200 medical providers and backed by insights from more than 12 million users, I'm here to help you separate fact from fiction, especially when it comes to sports medicine, fitness, and conditioning. With so much misinformation floating around online, it's more important than ever to get doctor-approved info you can actually trust. That's why everything I'm sharing today is medically reviewed and approved by UbieHealth. Let's talk belly fat. First of all, not all belly fat is created equal. You've got subcutaneous fat, the kind just under the skin, and visceral fat, which is deeper and wraps around your organs. Visceral fat is the one to really watch out for. Why? Because it's linked to serious health issues like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even metabolic syndrome. Ever heard the saying, abs are made in the kitchen? Well, it's more than just gym talk. What you eat plays a huge role in how your body stores fat. One of the best things you can do is increase your intake of soluble fiber. It's found in foods like oats, legumes, apples, and flax seeds. Not only does it help keep you full longer, it also helps manage blood sugar and reduce the accumulation of visceral fat over time. I had a client who swapped out her morning cereal for steel-cut oats plus chia seeds, and in about 3 months, her waistline had visibly shrunk, even though her weight barely changed. That's the power of fiber. Protein is another big player. It helps build and maintain muscle, and muscle burns more calories at rest than fat does. Plus, protein slows digestion, so it helps you feel full for longer periods. Think eggs at breakfast, grilled fish at lunch, or lentil soup at dinner. It's less about counting grams and more about including a quality source at each meal. Now let's talk about what to cut back on. Added sugar is a major culprit when it comes to belly fat. The tricky part? It sneaks into everything, from flavored yogurt to salad dressings. Stick with natural sugars in fruits, and steer clear of anything ending in O's on labels like glucose or fructose. One of my friends swapped her daily sweetened iced coffee for black cold brew with a splash of almond milk, and she saw a noticeable difference in her energy levels and how her clothes fit, all without changing her workouts. And let's not forget alcohol. While the term beer belly is often used casually, it's backed up by real science. Excess alcohol, especially in large amounts, has been associated with an increase in visceral fat. If you do choose to drink, stick to moderation. 1 drink a day for women, 2 for men. Okay, let's move outside of the kitchen because lifestyle habits matter too. Chronic stress raises your cortisol levels, and cortisol encourages fat storage, especially in your midsection. Trust me, I've been there. During a super stressful phase of my life, I was training harder than ever. And yet, the lower belly bloat just wouldn't vanish. It wasn't until I added 15 minutes of daily mindfulness, just some light breathing exercises, that I noticed real change. Physical activity, of course, is crucial. No, doing 100 sit-ups a day won't magically flatten your belly, but combining cardio and strength training can help reduce belly fat over time. Cardiovascular workouts like walking, jumping rope, or cycling burn calories and improve metabolism. Strength work? That's your muscle-preserving tool, especially if you're cutting calories. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate cardio and 2 strength sessions each week. And don't underestimate the power of sleep. If you're sleeping less than 6 hours a night, your body is more likely to store fat, particularly in the abdomen. Set a consistent bedtime, cut screen time 30 minutes before sleep, and use natural light in the morning to reset your circadian rhythm. I even recommend adding magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds to your evening snack to support better sleep. Here's the truth. You can't spot reduce fat, but you can support your body in becoming leaner and stronger in smart, science-backed ways. Eat more fiber and protein, cut back on added sugars and alcohol, lower stress levels, move consistently, and sleep smarter, not harder. Worried about your own health? Start by checking in with the Ubi Symptom Checker at UbieHealth.com. Its medical-grade, doctor-approved AI is like having a full on-call healthcare team right in your pocket. Always 100% free. And if you learned something today, don't forget to give this video a like and follow for more doctor-approved info you can trust from UbieHealth.